Now, you tell me which product should come out next. Any guesses? I know you are waiting for the most exciting product of the year, but ladies and gentlemen, I would like to start with a warm-up first, right? So today, before I start with the main product, I would like to have a big round of warm-up, which would be one of the best-looking phone in this price segment, and it's going to be the entry-level value king Realme C2. Well, we have heard about it that a lot of brands think as entry-level phone as a second fiddle. But for Realme, we have a focused approach even for the entry-level segment. We have made sure that entry-level is not been treated as a second fiddle. We also want to create it as a flagship level even in this particular price segment. So we started our journey with the classic diamond cutting design. Now it's into third generation. And this is the first time in this segment that the most importantly is going to be the smudge-free design. Smudge-free design. Just have a look at it. How you personally like it? Personally, I think classics are better. This time, you will have two options. One is diamond blue and second is diamond black. Although the classic designs, we have made many improvements even with the tiniest of the details. But beneath such stunning reflections are the 3 layers of paintings and pearl particles. So guys, these efforts combined together really make C2 the most exquisite and shining diamond compared with the previous generations. While you are holding in your hand, you will really feel that there is something which is very premium in a flagship level device. Although C series are an entry level on Realme's product map, we are bringing you the flagship level design in this C series. This is truly we want to offer to the every Indian, the best looking entry level smartphone. Move to the front. While we move to the front, we see that it's going to be the 6.1-inch dewdrop screen. Again, for the first time in this price segment, we are adopting an immersive dewdrop screen with a close to 90% screen to body ratio, SD plus screen, and the most importantly, the bezels are very thin. Now let's go talk about the battery. The battery we have powered with 4000 mAh battery with equally outstanding battery life. Equally outstanding battery life as its predecessor. High capacity battery is also the must in this segment, we know that. This is also from the feedback what we have received from you. So for C2, we have equipped with the octa-core Helio P22 processor. For the first time, it would be in this price segment having a 12 nanometer based chipset with a CPU clock speed of 2 gigahertz. I will repeat that statement with a CPU clock speed of 2 gigahertz. A lot of people would know why I'm speaking it again. Anyways, there are a lot of useful features on Realme C2. Going fast with an octa-core Helio P22 12 nanometer based chipset, which is the most power efficient chipset in this price segment. Triple SIM slot with an expandable storage. We consider it as a hygiene. Secondly, we have a 13 plus 2 megapixel camera. Then we have a 5 megapixel front camera with AI capability. colorOS 6 will also make C2 the first in this segment to feature Android Pie. But one of the most exciting things which you would like to hear about is this phone would be the first in this segment again to feature slow motion at 80 FPS. Isn't it amazing, guys? Having an entry-level phone with a slow motion feature as well. We really work on user expectations. We don't consider it as an entry-level phone or as a second fiddle phone. We make sure that even this user have an experience of a flagship level. Lot of features, lot of things. We always believe, in summary, that this is one of the best looking product, most balanced product in the entry-level price segment. So let's have a video recap and what it is all about.
Look at me, look at me, look at me. Realme is back. smartphone.
Realme is back with a bang. That's what I always believe. We always believe to be back with a bang. Okay, so the next part would be more interesting and more exciting. We really wanted to do a real budget comparison, and this is as far better understanding of what we have. No offense to any other brands, but we would still like to compare and give you a fair comparison without having any biased view on itself. So Realme C2 offers the best looking design in this price segment with comparisons to few of the phones which are supposed to launch or someone which has already been launched. Well, we do not have the Indian version of the last one, but yes, this is what it has been launched in China. So we have a diamond cut smudge-free design, 12 nanometer based chipset with a clock speed of 2 gigahertz. The most important part I would like to add over here is, because a lot of people would have a question on that, we have two variants. One is 2 GB, 16 GB, and second is 3 GB, 32 GB. In 2 GB, 16 GB, we have a special optimization for an entry-level segment, which makes your OS extremely smooth. We have personally worked on it to make sure that your OS doesn't feel bloggy about it. Secondly, again, it will be the first time in this particular segment we will be having a chroma boost and 80 FPS slow motion feature. Last but not the least, we have an ad-free colorOS, right? Anyways, so this is according to us, as far as whatever understanding what we have got, and we have tried to be fair to our users. So, for the best looking design, with a long lasting battery, a bigger full screen, and an efficient chipset, do you think should I price it now or later on? Okay, so let's do it now. Realme C2 will come with two variants. One is 2 GB with 16 GB and 3 GB with 32 GB. I'll cut the crap, I'll go straight to the point. 2 GB, 16 GB would be priced at 5,999. A best looking entry level smartphone at this price. 3 GB, 32 GB would be priced at 7,999. Again, this is the most amazing specs, most balanced product at this particular price. I hope the Josh is there. Is it there or no? That's what I wanted to hear. The first sale will be on 15th of May, 12 noon, with our partners with Flipkart.com, Realme.com, and it will soon be available in offline stores nearby you. The most important thing, our partners have come down with this exciting offers for the product, which is Jio benefits worth rupees 5,300. When I was talking to my team, I said if somebody, like the users of Realme, they're extremely smart. If they're able to encash the entire offer of 5,300 rupees, this phone is practically free. Don't you think so, guys?